Welcome to another episode of Spring Decorate with me, decorating ideas for Spring 2023. In this video, I will be taking you guys on a spring decorate and refresh of my home. If you like videos like this, please stay tuned and keep on watching. To start, I will be refreshing my entryway by using my favorite scent to spray on my faux florals. This is a very good hack to keep your home ever smelly good and fresh. Try to do this at least once every week. Pick your favorite day of the week when you are free and available to refresh your home with your favorite scents and florals. For this entryway, I am using these floral stems that I got from Hobby Lobby about 2 years ago, and it's still going strong. When you spray with your favorite scent, it gives you that natural smell that you would love, and anyone that walks in through that door, especially if those florals are in the entryway, that scent is going to be the first thing that welcomes them. Without going too far into the video, hello guys, my name is Dede and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. Today's video is a collaboration between myself and my beautiful sister here on YouTube, Miriam from Miriam's Creative Corner. She's also creating an amazing spring video on her channel with amazing ideas. If you love my content, I'm pretty sure you will love hers. Please check her video down in the description box below right after watching this video. Don't forget to tell her I sent you. Taking time to decorate your entryway is very important. You know, the entryway is that first space in your home that anyone sees when they walk into your home, and this should be a representation of your home. So I'm taking time to create a very pleasant entryway and adding some spring touches like the florals, and of course bringing my favorite scent like I mentioned earlier. To also bring some freshness to the space, I also drop some essential oils in my DIY cleaning solution, and here is the final look of the space. Please guys, tell me what you think about this space before we move to the living room and refresh and decorate it. I would love to know how it feels when time goes slow, and I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. Before we move into the living room refresh and redecorating, I would like to show you how I create my own floral arrangements for the spring season. I am using these peonies that I got from Michael's. I don't know if I called it right. And these hydrangeas from Amazon. I love to create my own floral arrangement. I don't know if you do, or do you just buy already made floral arrangements? As you might know, I love my home looking very unique to me and no one else. So creating my own floral arrangement gives that unique look to me. And of course, don't forget your favorite scent. Let you go, put your arms around me, and I let you know how it feels when time goes slow. I would like to use this opportunity to say thank you guys so very much for all the love you showed me in our previous video. It doesn't go unnoticed. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Dede. Like I said earlier in the video, I love to create amazing content about home decorating ideas and inspiration. I'm a mom of 3 beautiful little kids, and I love to inspire you to create a home that looks more expensive than it actually is. My home has gone through some makeovers, and that is why you see it looking so unique to me and my family. If you would like to see more about this, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and of course click the notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. And I've also started incorporating organization videos, and I'm pretty sure that is very helpful to so many of us, because I have struggled in that light as well in the past. So thank you so much for tuning into my video. I am super grateful for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you get some inspiration and learn something new before you leave here today. Thank you. Please keep on watching for the tour of the living room. If you are still tuned in and watching, I would like to say thank you so very much. I would appreciate it, and I would love to see it if you can comment spring down in the comment section below. And just a quick reminder, please do well to check Miriam of Miriam's Creative Corner. She is also creating an amazing spring decor video on her channel. And I would like to know which of the 2 spaces decorated today is your favorite. Do you like the living room elegance, or do you like the entryway elegance? Please tell me down in the comment section below. I would love to know.